आतंकवादी कान खोल के सुन ले, यह देश इस बात को कभी भूलने वाला नहीं है। पाकिस्तान के हुक्मरान सुन ले, हमारे 18 जवानों का बलिदान बेकार नहीं जाएगा।
These warnings from Prime Minister Modi was followed by unprecedented retaliation by India and Pakistan. Every single time has paid the price for bleeding India. After the terror attack in Pahalgam, which has Pakistan's stamp all over it, Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah have put out one consistent message that those behind the terror strike will pay. These warnings have rattled Pakistan, and how? Intel sources have confirmed that a scared Pakistan army is now ramping up their border defences, worried about what kind of a hit back they will face from India. And that has translated to more attempts to push in terrorists into Indian soil. As per intelligence sources, 42 terrorist launch pads are active in Pakistan occupied Kashmir near LOC. 110 to 130 terrorists are suspected to be present in these launch pads. 70 to 75 terrorists are active in Kashmir Valley. 60 to 65 terrorists are active in Jammu, Rajouri and Poonch. About 115 of these are Pakistani terrorists. India has been thwarting Pak's desperate terror tactics. Indian security forces are killing one terrorist every 5th day. Of the 75 killed so far, most of them were foreign terrorists. These include 17 terrorists killed while trying to infiltrate along the line of control and international border, while 26 terrorists were killed during encounters in the interior areas. Pakistan is attempting to activate its usual toolkit of ceasefire violations and pushing terrorists in, but our forces have thwarted all bids so far. Pakistan will be looking back in time to how India has always avenged blood spilled by terrorists. After the 2016 terror attack in the Uri Army base, in which we lost 19 Jawans, India responded with the surgical strike on Pak soil. In 2019, a terror attack on a CRPF convoy in Pulwama led to the loss of 40 CRPF braves. What followed was the Balakot airstrikes, and now with 28 civilians being killed in this cowardly strike in Pahalgam, it remains to be seen what the response will be.
हमारे पड़ोसी उसके इस मंसूबे का देश के 130 करोड़ लोग मिलकर के जवाब देंगे, मुंहतोड़ जवाब देंगे।
There is a palpable anger in India for revenge. Promises made of avenging the 28 innocents who died. This time too, will Pakistan pay?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.